extender on it. Yeah, you could do that too. Different ways you can get around it. Also, the 300 and 400 millimeter 2.8. Put an extender on that to get 800 millimeter. Autofocus, you can only go so many f-stops in, it doesn't work after that.
What I was noticing though is that I'm trying to focus just manually.
Mm-hmm.